Hey everybody, so this is that X6.55 McCormick. It's got the LS1 Loader. You can see it's got a 4-tooth grapple fork mounted to the front of it. Nice size bucket. I'm looking all around, guys. This loader, I don't see any breaks, cracks, nothing. It is a quick attach loader. You've got your rubber front fenders. Tires, you can see, have a lot of tread left, front and back. All around, rubber's really good on this. Obviously, this one takes def as well. I'm just going to take you on an outside little overall. You got your 3-point, you got your sway bars that'll pin into place to keep it from rocking back and forth. You've got 3 hydraulic remotes. You have your controls back here, so if you're hooking things up by yourself, you can adjust your 3-point and everything from the back all by yourself. You got your spool valve for your loader mounted nice and out of the way again. This is a quick attach. You just pull your releases and the whole cluster comes off that way. All around, guys, really nice tractor. They did have transmission work done to this. They got into it and decided they were going to put in a new factory transmission, and it still has a year of warranty on that transmission. That was done by Mark's Repair right in Battle Creek. All around, guys, really nice tractor. Nice size. It's small enough to kind of get around. Really nice on an acreage or a farm. Not so big and bulky and awkward. Excellent size tractor, guys, and it kind of offers all the options that you need.